spotters have reported to Inchale an independent hill at 6. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Prince George's County and central Maryland, southeastern Montgomery County and central Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Potomac or over American Legion Bridge, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rockville, Bethesda, Olney, Beltsville, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, Laurel, North Potomac, Fairland, White Oak, Redland, Colesville, Kent Mill, Chevy Chase, North Kensington, South Kensington, Forest Glen, Hillendale, and North Chevy Chase. This is a dangerous storm. For your protection, go indoors, ideally to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or building. The severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Montgomery.